Hi everyone, now we come back again and especially good morning everyone. And today I want to show you how to use the UGS filter, yes, and UGS filter and compute data or we render to the HTML text. Okay, don't waste time with the girlfriend and to come back if you want to be developer. Don't waste time with the girlfriend. So we back to the writing program on Saturday or Sunday to increase or construct our knowledge together. Okay, right now we go back to the main.js right now, and I want to show you how to use the filter, okay, and filter and compute data to the HTML in touch. Okay, the filter we want to run like the format, or we want to return as a weight currency. Okay, but and this I want to change. Okay, we change to the first name and last name. So I change to first name. Okay, I add the heteros, and last we add the heteros. And H we import as with the same, and we change the first name, and I add the last name T. Okay, when we change the already like this, and now we complete with the portion of G and move to we add the compute. Yes, we add the compute, but when I create or we refresh and the data and the first, yes, first name and last name. Okay, what happened? First name and last name. Okay, we change, and now we add the compute. So in the UGS we add the compute here. Okay. Okay, and then we create a full name, and we want to return a first name and last name so together. Okay, so we use the return, for example, and this is the full name. Yes, full name. So when I refresh, so for okay, and now I want to change the weight. Okay, so I change the weight value to the full name, so I refresh. Okay, and then when we create and we change the values and render to the element HTML text. Okay. But we want to call the person here. Okay, we want to call the person to the render. So we use it like this. Okay, or we use and turn page. So when I press, we then return to the P into the render HTML here, but return with the object string. So in the full name parameters, okay, and the compute we cannot use it like this. For example, if we use it like this, not allowed to create like this in the Vue.js. Okay, when I press, and this is the first name and last name here, but if we use the like this, not allowed. Okay, and this is the error code, so I don't want to see. Don't use like this. We use the page and page like this. I return to the JSON. Okay, so we get and access the first name and last name and the last page. So we put the last name, first name. So I refresh and call to Petros. Okay, if we want to add last Okay, we add the last. So in the JavaScript, when we merge with the string together, we use the plus. Okay, we use the plus sign. So I add the p dot last name. So change to the first and last. But we call with the full name. Okay, we call the full name, not just the like this. So I move to the normal code. Okay, so move. We add like this. So we call the full name, and I add the p dot or the full name. We call it like this. Okay, I add the p. So the in Dutch and the full name. Okay, I use the full name. I will change to the full name and like the throws. Yes. Okay, and now we add a, and this is the we call with the compute like this. But if you developer you don't use the string like this, so in JavaScript you can call this. For example, I call we add the string this p dot functional. So it's the same. And if we call with the string, we add and okay, p dot first name the same. Okay, you can use anywhere, or in this is the same with the concatenate with the string. Okay, I comment here, or we use the p like before. Yes. Okay, now we add the function to increase the age, the question here. So we add a function. Okay, we in the compute it is the key to JSON. So in the compute if you create the multiple function in the compute, you must use the comma. Okay, so I use the age in years. Okay, age in 1 year. Okay, age in 1 year. So we add and we return and p dot age. Okay, I refresh. So we call the I add the age here, copy code, and I pass. We move to the okay, we move to age in 1 year. So we add the age. Okay, age, but we increase the number, can plus number ones like this. Okay, and this is the compute to increase one by ones. Okay, right now we create with the compute already, so I close the code and we move to the use the and compute, and then we call with the filter. Okay, we use the filter. Okay, features, and we add. Okay, so this I add to the this code. And we call a feature here. Okay, we add so this to the features. So at the feature we add age. So we use the full name here. Okay, and the full name. So we can add the value here. Yes. So we return this and value refer to the p, yes, p variable object, so I use with the p with the same. So we add the class, we call the p dot first name. Okay, when I refresh, okay, when I refresh, okay, so we change this to, for example, we call with the p, and add, we call it like this. Okay. So we use this assign calls, okay, with assign call, and we call the filter function name. Okay, we filter function name full name. So I refresh, and then we call to the alert. And this we add the last name, p dot and last name here. Okay, the same. And we add the a here. So I move to the age. Okay, so I close the code. We use the age in 1 year. So we return and this. Okay, and turn this p dot age and plus 1. And we change it to the age and age in 1 year. Very fast, and this is the same. Okay. Okay, everybody, I think that you know clearly how to use the compute and the filter as these parties. Okay, and if you don't know clear about how to use the compute or filter, please go to the internet and please go to the web view frameworks. Okay, and now I complete this lesson with the part 2, and if you don't clear about the compute or filter, please comment about my video. Okay, and the last time, don't forget to like, share and comment on my video, and especially share to another friend. Okay, say goodbye.